Hello guys, welcome to another video from HL Creations. Today we are going to do this. So, let's get started. First of all, you must open the image. I have provided the link in the description to download the image. Duplicate the image and open the camera raw filter. The shortcut for the camera raw filter is Ctrl+Shift+A. Or you can go on this way. Change the settings as I do. And again duplicate the background layer. Hold Alt key and press mask button to apply mask onto the layer. Select the brush tool and be sure you have selected the mask layer. Create new empty layer and create selection using elliptical marquee tool. Add lens flare to the layer. Change the blending mode to screen. Apply Gaussian blur to the layer. you learned something from this video, please like, share and leave a comment on the comment section and the below. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.